guys, welcome to my vlog. This is day 2 and from the first vlog I received a lot of messages regarding why I'm wearing a saffron color scarf, which is actually a Hindu color. So I thought, why not just solve this issue once and for all? Which is better, Pakistan or India? So I am actually Pakistani, but I am staying in Malaysia and I have my ancestors from India. So it's very tough to decide क्योंकि my family, my background is from India, from Delhi, from Mumbai, from Lucknow and from Haryana a little bit. So it's very tough to decide which country is better. Of course, I'm born in Pakistan, but all the countries, have this good and bad thing, including India and including Pakistan. So deciding which is better or fighting over it, I think I need to solve this issue. So first things first, I'm in Malaysia from so long, around 15 years. So I have met a lot of Indians from Delhi, from Kerala, from Tamil Nadu, from Uttar Pradesh, from Goa. And I have a lot of friends actually from Punjab, from Haryana, Jat and all that. I have met so many Indians from last 15 years, and I think I'm blessed to have met those people because my ancestors are from India, and we cannot travel to India. It's very tough. So I want all of you to know, desis are desis, regardless you're from Pakistan, India or Bangladesh. Desis have your back. If you're going through some problem, financial, emotional problem in a foreign countries, you should know that the desis will always have your back. So I've been through a lot of tough time, and I have my own Pakistani community, but sometimes if they're not available or I need some guidance, so I know the first people I will go and discuss with are Indians. Reason? Because they are going through the same situations as we are. Parenting, a competitive lifestyle, from education, from work and everything is all same यार. हमें पिटाई भी सेम ही होती है अपने पेरेंट्स से. So, and I don't know if I'll get hate from Pakistanis or from Indians or Bangladesh. Trust me, if you're staying away from your family, you will understand. Only people you can trust are the Desis. So, talking about Indians and how I think Indians are really nice, really friendly, and we can really relate to each other. Chahe it's about the food, it's about the culture, it's about our parenting, everything is so similar. My point of wearing an orange color scarf was not to offend anyone, but it was just a general scarf that I had, and I love orange and yellow color. So I just wore it. I think it's it will be very good if we all just keep the politics and the hatred aside and relate to each other, so we will know that yaar Pakistanis and Indians are all same. They are all same. Their thinking, their mentality, everything is so same. अब कुछ नहीं होता. परेशानी में we eat the same food also. When we are tense, we eat the same food. When we are depressed, we eat the same food. We watch the same movies. We listen to the same songs. तो यार हम बहुत similar हैं. I met so wonderful people from India, and I love the people from India. I can trust them blindly. I can just talk to them easily. We have so many similar topics to discuss about education, about politics, about movies, about food, about culture, about experiences, about our ancestors. It's so nice and so lively, yeah. And as a Pakistani, it's really important for me to know from where my ancestors come from, to know the stories and to meet the people from my culture. And yeah, that was it. So really hope you guys will like my video. Please give a like, comment and subscribe and share my video. I'm a bit newbie, so I'm just doing what I can do, but inshallah I will try to bring my friends who are from India in my video. I will try my best. So yeah, I hope my channel will work so that they will be happy to come and join me. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed my video. Yeah, Thank you so much everybody for watching this video. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.